So welcome back guys in my channel, and I'm going to explain the twosome concept in Blind 75 series. So let's begin the lecture. So you can see that we have a list of nums and we have a target value which is 9 here. And I have written this because this is the problem here, that we have to find the two values which are the pair of the target, and we have to return the index value of those two value whichever are combined to make this target value. So here you can see that if you take 2 and 7 and combine them to become 9, and this is the values which are our answer, and we have to return the index of these. So let's see how we can find it and what is the use of this needed here. So this needed is useful when we write the optimized solution, because first we will learn the brute force way, which is comes in many beginners mind, that how we will solve this question. Then we will do it using this needed way. So let's do it using brute force first. So first we create a function def twosome, then we give list, then target value, and then we will write a loop. So the loop is for I in James, and from where to where we have to move info minus 1, because we will move only the one element before the next loop move till the end in the range. So why we wrote I plus 1 here? Comment it down. Then I will explain you why we wrote like. So we write I plus 1 here because whenever we have a current value, whenever we have a value, we we will not going before values. We will only see the ahead values. That what are the values which is written ahead, because the before values are not useful. We already try to make clear with them, but those not give the answer. That's why we are moving ahead. So that's why we always keep I plus 1 for the next loop. Okay, I hope you got it. So let's move ahead. So now we have to check the condition. If nums of I plus nums of j, this is the simple thing. I don't think that have to say target. Then what do you just return list of I and j. That's what we have to do. And this is the brute force way you can find the twosome. Okay, let's check the answer. So you just write nums target. Let's see it's working or not. Okay, so it's saying that I haven't used this here. Okay, so 0, 1. Okay. So this solution is working. This is brute force. The time complexity is bigger and square because we have used two for loops. Let's see the optimized solution of it using dictionary. So we keep the definition same, make a dictionary, and initialize it. Then we write loop for current num which 0 to length of nums because we have to move till the end, and we will need an individually. This is the thing which I wrote earlier. Target minus uh, nums of current. Okay, because current num is the index here, and then we will use condition here now if needed in scene. So we will check that this value exists in the uh, dictionary or not. So if it exists in dictionary, then we will simply return the value current num, and what will be the next? Scene needed. Okay, and else if it's not exist in the dictionary, then we will enter it in. Okay. Um, so we will store the index value as a value, and this is the key. Okay, let's check this solution. Okay guys, this is also returning the values. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I will come back with the next video soon. Okay, thank you.